Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Alright, the surprising thing is, right now is me and mommy have internet. And we have, which is a good thing, because brainstorm.
I know, but I wanted to put this piece. Ah, damn it.
Maybe. I'll get it for you. Maybe? Yeah, I think we can. Oh, I'll get it. Yeah, we can.
Ah.
Can you hand me that piece right there? Oh wait, no. They collect this piece. Oh my door. No, it isn't.
Was it going over there before?
I don't think. No, that does not go there. What's up, vlog? What's up? I need to go somewhere in here.
In here.
What's up? Boom.
Alright, these two go right here. Look, snap. Oh my god.
I gotta plate my fork.
Ta-da!
Okay, let's just.
I'm gonna get the last piece.
No!
I'm gonna
me,
get.
me,
Give me!
Me!
How rude, Tal. Kip should be the one doing it because he did the most. Get out of here. Give him the piece.
No.
Give it to him.
I want to do it.
Give it to him.
I want to do it.
Give it to him.
I want to do it.
All right, good.
Pain in my
Oh,
Yeah, I did
last piece.
Oh, he tricked him. This is just a masterpiece. That's just a masterpiece.
Oh, so good.
Tom, don't even do that. So right now we're gonna be doing Cooking with Brooklyn.
All right.
I'm so excited. And you guys are gonna watch us too. Do this at home too. Make sure no fire goes on there. Make sure no fire goes on. Okay. I'm gonna be cracking the eggs.
No, she's not.
Oh, yes I am. Mommy said I'm gonna crack the eggs. So thank you.
I'm cracking the eggs. Okay, so we're gonna put this
I'm
aside.
crapping the... Dude.
Hold on.
This girl. I wanted to crack the egg.
I'm cracking them because if you crack them, there's gonna be shells all up in our eggs.
No, they were not. Purpley. This is gonna be way too long if you keep watching me. So just look.
This is our secret ingredient to our pancakes.
And Town is not like that secret ingredient, but who cares? He deals what he deals with.
Pancake batter.
That's a secret ingredient.
Hmm.
Pour in the eggs, pour in the eggs, pour in the eggs.
So eggs are in there.
Yep, we got the egg, we got the teaspoon. LOL. Laugh out loud. I just learned that.
I was gonna say.
I just learned that.
She just learned what LOL means, so that.
Laugh out loud.
All right, and then we have our pancake batter. It's all ready to go.
It's yes, the bus is here. Come on, so we gotta go to school.
Yeah, right.
Whenever the hurricane was going down, Tom was like, I knew it. Whenever I plug in my charger, literally, if I plug it in, then the line will turn blue. And I was like, there's no power, so I don't know how we'll do that. And until Kip told him,
There's no power.
there's no power.
Yeah.
So we end up, whenever it was nighttime, we ended up putting candles everywhere because it was so dark.
All right, here's Brookie's creation. What is that? Oh my god.
It's a beautiful creation.
It's freaking gross.
I think that's all I'm gonna do today.
Some of the damage that our trees did during the hurricane.
Hot?
Hot.